Man United play again. Same old, same old, same fucking old. Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Welcome back to the channel. I was thinking about doing a watch along this morning, wake up late, so wake up when the game starts actually. So I'm gonna say, alright, figure I'm just watch the game and then give you guys my 2 cents. Before we go any further, please drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there for brand new. Yeah. Manchester United played again today. Manchester United lost today. So we could go into the 5 things that we saw there. So what the fuck did we just see? Manchester United lose. Regular thing. Normal thing, right? Not necessarily though. And I have mixed emotions about this game entirely. Yeah, we lost, and you could argue that it was defensive issues that cost us that game, attacking issues as well. But the fact of the matter is we lost. And that is a key point in this game. Because it shouldn't have been a loss. Point blank and period. What the fuck did we just see? We actually saw a style of play today. We saw how Ten Hag wanted his team set up. We saw how he wanted it set up in the first half. We saw how he wanted it set up in the second half. And we saw them playing a little bit freer in the second half, which it didn't give Brighton much opportunities in the second half, but they still have a little bit of defensive frailty. And that's because from the back line to the midfield, it's kind of a little bit of discrepancy. And when the dude from Brighton came on for Milner, he kind of bullied Manu a little bit. So you kind of saw that as well in the second half. But again, you can see how Manchester United want to play. What the fuck did we just see? We saw Harry Maguire at far for the first goal. He could have cleared it. At far for the first fucking goal. At far for the first. Let me not dwell on that. What the fuck did we just see? We saw a totally different game from Muhammad. We saw a game of sloppy passing, sloppy control, but then a second half of a very good goal. So it's a game of 2 halves of Ahmad. But he shouldn't have played for so long. He should never have played for so long. What the fuck did we just see? We saw a team not necessarily gelling completely. What will we have in the next game against Liverpool? I don't know. Well, what we have today was a team that you have crazy opportunities to play a pass through to someone when you play the wrong pass. Like Ahmad in the first half. They break it, fear them. Play it through the line, through the defense line, him on goal. Don't play behind him to behind Rashford. Them kind of things that fake you. You understand what I say? Them kind of things that mess up the team flow completely. What the fuck did we just see? We saw Eric Ten Hag make some decent and needed changes. We saw Eric Ten Hag decide, all right, cool. I take off Mason Mount. We take off Bruno because Bruno was lacquered in the second half. As much as I don't want to admit it, Bruno was lacquered because he was running like crazy man Mason Mount in the first half. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you about this team's performance today. Because 1, they lost. But 2, they could have won. And 3, you can see where the team is heading. So I am happy for the team, sad for the loss. And I'm saying, listen, whatever the happens in the game against Liverpool, that's what I want to see moving forward. I want to see the team press together, defend together. Yeah, it's just It's just one of them days, fam. It's one of those days. One of those fucking days, fam. One of those days. Hey, people, just so you know, figure you already know already. But the big man from Arnett is now a Charlton player. You know who it is. And we're hearing multiple news that Mason Greenwood should be playing for Jamaica soon. That's a story for another day. A massive story. And when him bombard confirmed that, remember me tell you, that going to be a video of a lifetime because you know I've been talking about Mason Greenwood since day that. So I don't know. Anyway, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe for brand new. Bless yourself, bless up others. Manaz.